40% of adults age 60 and over have a power of attorney. That equals about 26 million people in this country.
I am an Episcopal priest, and I have been for the last 26, 27 years. My mother was a school teacher when she was working. My mother was in good health. She was cognitively fine, but she, in the end, developed dementia.
I have 2 children. I have a husband. My daughter is 18 years old. She just turned 18 last summer. When she was an infant, she didn't babble much. And at Children's Hospital, when she was about 2.5 years old, she was diagnosed autistic. Legally, she's considered an incapacitated adult under a DC law. So I'm her court-appointed legal guardian.
So it's a big shock at first and a big adjustment. And I think that's what people need to know.
It involved a lot of reading, a lot of phone calls.
It becomes very real and you have to act quickly. I'm responsible for all my mother's affairs, all of them.
Like depositing money into her checking account.
Pay her rent.
Getting copies of her bank statements.
I have to make sure her bills are paid.
Filing insurance claims on her behalf.
Finances, to a large extent, can determine the level of care one can provide for one's loved one.
The Managing Someone Else's Money guides can be especially helpful when people first step into the role of being a financial caregiver. The guides are designed for 4 types of financial caregivers: agents under powers of attorney, guardians of property, government fiduciaries like Social Security representative payees, and trustees.
This is vital work. It's key, especially as Americans get older.
These guides will help you understand your responsibilities and understand some of the risks and understand some of the helpful tips.
We're very concerned about older adults and scams, older adults not getting the consumer advice they need to be able to make wise financial decisions. That's the 10-county area, plus you have some regional providers there too, like legal services and dementia care consultation work. These tools are very practical ways to give step-by-step guidance to family members and friends who are taking on that role and need a little extra help of understanding what they just got themselves into.
I'm so very pleased to meet you.
Good to see you in person. So she does need to keep her property separate from yours, including her money. So you can't have money in the same bank account.
With the guides, I save time. And that is so important because my time is spent doing so many things caring for my daughter on a day-to-day basis.
Individuals can download and print the guides themselves from our website, but you can also order them online for free, and we'll mail our printed copies out to you. We feel very proud of this tool and of this project because we know that it's something that's really going to be benefiting millions of Americans out there, both the caregivers and their loved ones.